So today we're growing carrots, pak choy, broad beans and leek. So we filled this new garden bed with compost soil that we showed in the first video, and now we're just going to water it before we put those seeds in. Oops. Okay. And then pak choy. And carrots and leeks are apparently companion plants, so I'll plant them next to each other. So now we're just gonna make lines of where we're gonna put the seeds and then cover them up. So for all of these plants we're gonna do like 20cm spacing, pretty much. So we'll probably just do the same sort of spacing for every plant. And we didn't really worry much about fertilizer or anything, so hopefully these grow. And this is my first time growing leeks, so not sure if that will work good. Carrots. There were a few different types of carrots in the shop. I just grabbed this one because it said all seasons, so it seemed pretty good. Oh jeez, whoa. Some people like to mix carrot seeds with sand, so it's easier to distribute them. But we're just going to go with sprinkling them in the dirt. So about 2 or 3 seeds, where I want each plant. Okay, I just realised the reason why I'm planting beans is because I wanted to use the pool fence as, like, for them to climb on. And I was about to plant 4 beans out here, and then I realised what the hell am I doing. So I'm going to have 2 rows all the way, and on the back row have broad beans, and on the front pak choy. This one's just beans. Broad beans. I haven't had them.
You haven't had them?
Yeah.
You did them when you were younger, maybe?
Oh, yeah. So these ones are actual beans, which I keep pranking myself into buying when I can just buy beans and eat them and then plant them. Buying a kilo of beans would probably be the same price as this, but here's 25 grams. We have some little, I think they're called plug pots to make seedlings in, but I kind of just want to plant the seeds in here. So we'll see how these. So now we've got pak choy, which is going in the long row as well. So that will be like broad beans at the back, and then pak choy. Look a bit like poppy seed. Okay, so that's all the seeds, and then we're just going to cover it.